Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video we have talked about direct indirect speech, direct to indirect speech for assertive sentences. We have talked about direct to indirect speech for interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences we have seen two varieties, right? For WH type questions and yes no type questions, right? So today we are going to talk about direct indirect speech for exclamatory sentences. Okay, so till now whatever grammar sections we have done, so guys, we have to do a lot of practice for that. Okay, for the exam purpose it is very essential, it is very important. So we have to do daily practice for all the grammar sections, right? So today we'll talk about exclamatory sentences, how the things happens in exclamatory sentences, especially direct to indirect speech. So few rules I have written on the board, right? Direct to indirect speech for exclamatory sentences. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है देखते हैं. The rule says that in direct column, right, in the direct sentence, if we get said or said to, then in indirect speech we will write exclaimed, because here in exclamatory sentences we don't get the general kind of a sentence, we don't get the normal sentences, right? We get here the feelings or the strong feelings or the expressions I have mentioned over here, right? So let's talk about that. So डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में अगर डायरेक्ट में said और said to है तो डेफिनेटली said और said to का यहाँ पर exclaimed होगा, because we shows our expressions, we shows our feelings, right? That's why it considered as an exclaimed. Okay, and for single inverted comma and double inverted comma we write that. So in two varieties, two kinds of sentences we use that. First in assertive sentence, another is in exclamatory. दो जगह पे that का utilization होगा as a conjunction. Okay, yes no type और WH type में conjunction जो रहेगा, the same question word we will take it as a conjunction, right? So here the things are different. So one more time, if we get said or said to in the direct sentence, in the direct statement, while converting into indirect speech we will write exclaimed. Okay, for single inverted comma and double inverted comma we will write that, so that will become our conjunction. And rule says after that again the sentence will start from the subject. Okay, again the sentence will start from the subject. So this thing I have already told you, right? After every conjunction again the sentence will start from the subject. Okay, it will happen for assertive sentence, it will happen for interrogative, for both WH type and yes no type. Same thing would be happen in exclamatory sentences. Okay, but here one kind of a sentence, one variety is that imperative sentences. In that sentence we don't start the sentence from the subject, because imperative sentence doesn't start with the subject. Okay, obviously. Okay, so here rule number 3 says if we get how, okay, in the direct statement, in the direct sentence, then we will make it very. Okay, if we get what then in indirect speech we will write a very. Okay, rule number 5 says if we get happy feeling, okay, if happy feelings is given in the direct sentence, like hooray, wow, a lot of things comes in that happy feelings, right? So we make it with a joy, with a great joy, according to demand, according to need of the sentence we write like with a joy or with a great. कितना feeling है, कितना excitement है, we consider over here by reading the sentence, right? With a great happiness we can write. Okay, so and simultaneously rule number 6 says, right, if we get a sad feelings like alas, oh shit, oh my god, right, this kind of a feeling, then we will make it like with a sadness or with a sorrowness. Like this we will follow the rules, and by following the rules we make it the sentences. So hope so that you will note down the rules and regulations, and we will work according to rules. Okay, so this is the instruction According to this instruction, we make it direct to indirect speech for exclamatory sentence. Now we will see through the examples how the things happens. Examples के through देख लेते हैं. It's quite easy. Okay. So hope so guys, like you will sit with pen and paper and you will note down everything what I am going to explain. Let's see through the examples. Examples के through देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर चीज़ें होती कैसी है. Okay, how we make it the direct sentence, how that direct sentence we transfer into indirect speech. Obviously here also the tense will change. Earlier also I have told you before starting direct to indirect speech, okay, the things will change according to the tense, right? If the sentence has given into present tense, then we will convert into past tense. Okay, if the sentence would be given in a past, then we will convert into past perfect. Okay, so I have mentioned everything in the rule, so hope so that you will follow the rules, right? So let's check out the example through the rules. If you get sentence like he said, comma, single inverted comma, he said, comma, single inverted comma, wow, exclamation mark, wow, exclamation mark, he is great, full stop, inverted comma, close, right? This is the sentence, this is the direct sentence I have written on the board, right? One single character I have taken here, over here. So he is a speaker. Okay, so we don't have a second character, we don't have a third character. Obviously this consider the he is given under inverted comma, so this will consider as a another person, right? So let's check out. So what the things would happen, right? Here the sentence has given in a exclamatory. Here we need to make sure that sentence which is given in double inverted comma or under single inverted comma, it has to come in a exclamatory form. Exclamatory mark consider always as an exclamation. Okay, ये जो mark है इसको consider किया जाएगा कि ये exclamatory की identity है. And wow, right? Wow is given, so this is a interjection. So what kind of a interjection it is? ये किस प्रकार का interjection है? That also we need to check, right? So by looking, by reading the sentence, we can say this kind of a happy mood. Okay, इस sentence एक happy कंस्ट्रक्शन दिखाई दे रहा है, एक हैप्पी मूड दिखाई दे रहा है. सो लेट्स चेक आउट अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिमांड. सो विल मेक इट लाइक ही एक्सक्लेम्ड, सेड का हो जाएगा एक्सक्लेम्ड, ही एक्सक्लेम्ड दैट. ऑब्वियसली we make it like so, but immediately we won't write that because here the mood is given, so that whenever we get like mood, like happy mood or sad mood, the position of a that will come after expressing the mood, right? mood को express करने के बाद में that की position यहाँ पर आएगी. Let's check out how the things would happen, right? So he exclaimed with a joy. Means like wow को हम अगर express करें तो with a joy. So he exclaimed with a joy or with a happiness that. Now here the position of a that will come after expressing the mood, right? After expressing this mood with a joy, after that we use the position of a that. Okay, so he exclaimed with a joy that. Now he is considered as a third person, right? Obviously, so this he will become as it is. Okay, so he exclaimed with a joy that he was great. Okay, he was great, full stop. So this kind of a sentence we will make, right? He exclaimed with a joy that he was great, because sentence has given into present tense obviously, so we will make it into past tense. This is the rule. Okay, so let's check out another one. दूसरा देखते हैं. So if I make like she said to her father, she said to her father, comma, open double inverted comma, wow, exclamation mark, how awesome, how awesome it is, exclamation mark, double inverted comma, close. Okay. So what sentence I have written on the board? This is a actual variety of direct sentence which which we get under double inverted comma, right? So she said to her father, comma, open double inverted comma, wow, exclamation mark, how awesome it is, exclamation mark, double inverted comma, close, right? So this is the sentence, this is an exclamatory sentence, and obviously by reading the sentence, right, we can consider it's a craziness. Okay, it's kind of a craziness, it's kind of a excitement. Okay, by looking the interjection, how awesome, by looking the adjective, how awesome it is. Okay, it means that girl is very much excited or very much happy. So we can write, she exclaimed her father, she exclaimed her father with a great happiness, or we can write like with a great excitement. Okay, she exclaimed her father with a great happiness that it was very awesome. Full stop. Okay, so like this we will convert the sentence, like this we will deal with direct to indirect speech, right? How the things happens, let's check out. She exclaimed her father with a great happiness. Why I have written with a great happiness? By looking the expression, right, how awesome it is. So I have written a great happiness, okay, with a great happiness that it was very awesome. Okay, यहाँ पर जो it है, so we won't write that because already we have used that for double inverted comma, and so we won't make it for it का हम that यहाँ पर नहीं करेंगे. Okay, because simultaneously two that's doesn't come in one single sentence, right? According to rule, already we have made it for that, so that this subject will become as it is. ये जो it है वो it का it ही रहेगा. So like this we make the sentences, like this we construct the sentence from direct to indirect speech. Hope so कि आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा होगा. Let's check out more examples so you will understand better. और example देखते हैं. Let's take with the names. नाम लेते हैं कुछ. Okay. Simultaneously you have to go through with the rules also. Suppose if I write like Anil said to Vimal, Anil said to Vimal, comma, open double inverted comma, Anil said to Vimal, comma, open double inverted comma, what a horrible scene that was, exclamation mark, double inverted comma, close, right? Anil said to Vimal, comma, open double inverted comma, what a horrible scene that was. Okay, so the sentence already given in a past tense. Okay, so and what is given, definitely we will make it very. Anil is their first character, Vimal is the second character, and definitely Anil is talking about third thing. Okay, so how the things would happen, let's check out. Anil exclaimed Vimal that. Anil exclaimed Vimal that. Now here the expression is not given, okay, the interjection is not given, so we will make it a flat sentence, we will make it as an assertive form, right? So Anil exclaimed Vimal that scene was we have to use that scene was a very horrible okay. Now here already the subject has given in the form of that, so we write that. Earlier I have told you about like two that's doesn't come, two that won't come in single sentence, but here already the character, already the subject is given that, so we have to write यहाँ पर that लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, let's check out another one. Hope so that you have understood, right? Anil exclaimed Vimal that scene was a very horrible. Okay, let's check another one. दूसरा देखते हैं. Let's take right number 4. The boy said to his friends. The boy said to his friends, comma, open double inverted comma, hooray! Exclamation mark. Okay, the boy said to his friends, comma, open double inverted comma, hooray! Exclamation mark. We have won the match. We have won the match, full stop, double inverted comma, close, right? This is the construction of direct. Okay, the boy said to his friends, comma, open double inverted comma, hooray! Exclamation mark, we have won the मैच. ओके, तो यहाँ पर सेंटेंस कैसे इनडायरेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होगा, लेट्स चेक आउट. द बॉय इज अ स्पीकर, हिज फ्रेंड्स इज अ लिसनर. ओके, सो and the sentence which is given under double inverted comma, it is in exclamatory form. This is the identity of exclamation. Okay, how the things happens, right? So let's check out. The boy exclaimed his friends. Now here the feeling is given. Okay, so that's why we have to show the feelings first, and after that the position of a that will come in the sentence. Okay, the boy exclaimed his friends with a great excitement. Okay, with a great excitement. The boy exclaimed his friends with a great excitement that now V is given, so obviously V का यहाँ पर दे हो जाएगा, that they had The sentence has given into present perfect, so it will convert into past perfect. The boy exclaimed his friends with a great excitement that they had won the match. Full stop. Okay, so like this we do the conversation, especially for direct to indirect speech. Hope so that you are understanding. One more time we will see. The boy said to his friends, hooray, we have won the match. Okay, so how we have converted into indirect speech? The boy exclaimed his friends with a great excitement that they had won the match. We have to do a proper conversation according to the rule. Okay, rule के हिसाब से यहाँ पर चीजें होगी. Let's check out another. Number 5, we'll see that, right? She said to her mother, comma, open double inverted comma. Now obviously she is a first character, she is a speaker, her mother is a listener, obviously. So let's check out what happens. She said to her mother, comma, open double inverted comma, alas, exclamation mark. Alas obviously always shows a sad feeling, a kind of a death, a kind of a accident. Okay, the things we use for this thing, right? Alas. So she said to her mother, comma, open double inverted comma, alas, exclamation mark, I have lost my dearest friend. I have lost my dearest friend. A kind of a sadness, okay, a kind of a sorrowness we consider over here. So I have written one sentence on the board, right? With interjection with feeling, a sad feeling. So she said to her mother, alas, I have lost my dearest friend. Now here we have to take care that speaker is talking about himself or herself, or speaker is talking about the second person or the third person. Second person obviously consider as a listener. Okay, तो यहाँ पर speaker listener के बारे में बात कर रहा है कि speaker खुद के बारे में बात कर रहा है? Speaker यहाँ पर खुद के बारे में बात कर रहा है. Okay, so let's see how the things would happen. Obviously, so she exclaimed her mother with a great sadness, made like sadness, that after expressing the mood, okay, whether the happy mood is given or whether the sad mood is given. So after expressing that mood, the position of that will come. That की position वहाँ पर आएगी. Okay, how? Right? So she exclaimed her mother with a great sadness or sorrowness that. Now this I will become she because speaker is talking about herself, that she had lost her, माएगा हो जाएगा her dearest friend. Full stop. Okay, so how we have done, right? So one more time, she said to her mother, alas, I have lost my dearest friend. So we have converted into indirect speech. She exclaimed her mother with a great sadness that she had lost her dearest friend. Because the sentence has given into present perfect, so it will convert into past perfect, according to rule of direct to indirect speech. Hope so that you are getting the things like this, guys. You have to do practice. आपको इस प्रकार से practice करना है. Okay, so till now we have done like direct to indirect speech for assertive, direct to indirect speech for interrogative. In interrogative we have seen for two, right, for two varieties like WH type questions and yes no type questions. So here also we have done with direct indirect speech for exclamatory sentences, right? So multiple varieties of sentences you can take by your own, right? And you can do the practice. आप इस पे practice कर सकते हैं, but by following the rules, there are almost 30 or 35 rules I have taught you, and you have mentioned in your copy also. So go through that and do practice for it. Okay, इसका practice करेंगे आप. If you find any problem, then you watch the video again and again, right, whenever you get the time, and you keep touch with that, right? And I think like this is quite enough. So this is done with exclamatory. In next video very soon I'll bring direct to indirect speech for imperative sentence. It has also rules, उसमें भी बहुत कुछ नियम्स हैं, तो वो भी देख लेंगे हम. Okay, so hope so that you are doing regular practice. Okay, so I think this is quite enough. Thank you so much.